Short Aussie dollar.
Are you really? Good for you, man.
So that's a pretty good trade.
I'm
Most of my
jealous.
community was able to catch the peak of it, like somewhere, somewhere up here. So that's
Mm.
pretty great. That was a bit different angle. Cool. That's what I'm looking at. And then S&P 500.
Little tough. Little tough on us. I feel it too. My stock portfolio is gross.
And it's even trying to make a lower low now. So those are things I'm looking at. Good things and bad things, like normal life.
Yeah. So walk me through your Aussie dollar idea. So you shorted at resistance. I see that resistance. Are you still in it? What are you targeting with that?
Target was 73.
Okay.
So that's kind of in and out there. And right now I just hope it will go back up to 73.60, like up to previous resistance, so we can sell next week more than anything else.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. I'd like to get a second chance on selling that. I like the Aussie. I like the dollar, of course. Question for you: what do you think about the euro pairs right now? The euro pairs
Um
are making some moves. What do you think about the euro pairs?
I sold what? 80 108.50, I think it was. And where I put my stop loss, right? So the forex screws also has heard where the forex squads also heard where I put my stop loss. I put my stop loss there.
Ah, I
Yeah.
feel your pain.
Mm.
Tough.
So that's a hard one. And then so I'm not in this move, but what I saw was 2 days ago there was an ECB member said that there can even be a rate hike in July. That's definitely euro bullish, and I've also seen over the coming past few days that market has priced in 2 rate hikes this year in on ECB, and there is more and more likeliness of interest rates. I'm really interested that it actually falls. So somebody in your stream said, "Why is euro so strong?" There is your reason.
Mm. Yeah, and I saw something about there was some Fed idea that may be causing the dollar to be strong. Did you hear about that as well? I think it was like a forecasted more rate hikes, something like that. I saw it this morning, but maybe I'm just making it up. But um, the dollar itself looks just incredibly strong. I at some point, what do you think, Ivan? Like, okay, so the dollar, we've been saying this for so long. Dollar strong Fed, rate hikes and GDP bounce back, and it's been so strong. When does it end? And what warning signs would you be thinking about with the dollar to or is there an end? Like, is there even worth talking about an end in terms of looking at the dollar and being like, okay, enough is enough. We need to pull off the train before it goes off the rails, kind of thing. What do you think?
I, I have seen a research somewhere between the second and the third rate hike. And that comes after, like, psychology wise, that comes into like is going to peak. It's because there is no more rate hikes to price in, kind of a thing. Because right now we have priced in, I think it's somewhere around 2.5 already by the end of this year. Yeah, I lost that one. Cool. So that's still a lot. Now, still data dependent, so still need to look at the data. But as long as we still have the was it 8% interest rate inflation rate, so it's really a lot. So right now, market has priced in the most likely is at 275 by the end of the year.
Okay.
So if there's more being priced in, I don't know. Is it going to be 3? Is it going to be 3.5? They're pricing in then. So right now it's a lot being priced in, and that's where the fall comes in, where the data doesn't support that anymore, because we're already seeing in the housing market that people are not getting listing price anymore, or
Interesting.
more and more people don't get listing price anymore.
Yeah, I was watching a lot of things about the housing market just for out of curiosity yesterday, and very, very interesting stuff there. I think it always is. It's such an impossible market to really time perfectly. But mortgage rates going up, 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 and rent also going up, 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 inflation going up, up, up. There's something coming, and it's impossible to know exactly when. But I'm very, very cautious with some of that stuff. And I don't know, man. Like the interesting thing I was researching is that a lot of the REITs, which are real estate and stuff like that, they are actually down significantly, which is let me see if I can find it, but like real estate stocks are like down a lot. And it's weird to think about because it's like, okay, real estate's down a lot, but aren't houses going for so much money? Isn't there like so many building things going like that? And it's this divergence between Wall Street thinking that mortgage rates are going to go up and the housing market saying, well, we're selling lots of houses. So it's not something that I'm an expert on by any means, but I thought it was very interesting to think about.
Let's face it, if you're trading Forex without a winning trading plan, you're gambling. You need a model that is going to long-term net you a profit. Our team has put together a free guide on how you can actually create a trading plan.
All you have to do is use the link down below in the description.
Send the word template to our team on Telegram and we'll send you a copy. Again, hit the word template in your Telegram, send us a message and we'll get back to you with a copy of the free trading plan template.